Hey my dolls, I'm coming at you guys today with another wig review being brought to you by Junoda hair. Obviously their motto is love yourself, be yourself. Let's go ahead and open the box, see what we got in here. I love their packaging. So as you can see, you get your satin bag for the protection of your unit, and then they throw in, of course, everything you need to slay for your unit. So it'll have some lashes, a melt band, a wig cap, and a edge brush. And then here is your wig. This is going to be their 12-inch curly bouncy bob wig with bangs. I love the color first and foremost. This is a human hair wig, and we're gonna see what she rocking with, okay? Because I kind of think this one is going to be a banger. As you guys can see, the color is done very nicely. It's a T1B30, so let's go ahead and see what she's working with. Alright dolls, let's go ahead and get started. Throw on that wig grip because this unit has no combs in it. It's just a full wig with multiple ear tabs. Once again, there are no combs. Get a wig grip. Amazon, okay? So as you guys can see, the unit is nice and fluffy. We're going to go ahead and throw her on, get to styling her. And I'm already slaying, as you guys can see. Like, this unit is an instant slay when you throw her on. If you love styles like this, definitely pick this unit up. Junoda hair did that with this coloring. I love the T1B30. Very nicely colored. As far as shedding, very minimum shedding, no tangling or anything. What I'm going to do now is just frame the unit to my face. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting low versus high with the bang area, because I want the bang to, actually frame my face and not just look like I have on a full wig, okay? So we're going to try to make this look as natural as possible. So I'm just going to go ahead and start cutting where I need to cut along the sides, and just to give the unit a little bit more body around my face. I mean, the unit already has body, but, we have to just style it up some more to our liking. And look at that. Like I said, instant slay, very easy to style. I'm not really fussing with it too much. The curl memory is great. All I'm really doing is just coiling the curls around my finger just to get them back. And y'all already see I'm feeling myself. So yes, dolls, I highly, highly recommend this unit. It is amazingly done. Next clip. Hey my dolls, so it's your girl A here coming at you guys today with another wig review from Junoda hair. They are back in the dollhouse, y'all, and they sent me out this cute two-tone bang wig, and I'm loving it. It's a full human hair wig, not synthetic. Human hair wig. She is going to be under $125 if I'm not mistaken. Of course, all purchase links will be in the description box. Dolls, I am loving this. This is definitely right up my alley, and they knew what to give to me. Very simple and easy. You don't have to fuss with it too much. Like, this unit is going to give you everything you need. Quick, easy, run out the door, run errands with. Like, you can dress her up, dress her down. You can do multiple styles with this. Of course, I will show you some styles that I've come up with right here. And yeah, but she is gorgeously done. I really love the texture. The curl memory is great. Oh my goodness, the curl memory on this unit is just great. Like, I have fluffed her out. I have definitely, played with her. And like I said, the curl memory is great. Whoever curled this unit curled the hell out of this unit, okay? Like, bomb curls. They're nice and bouncy. The unit is not stiff. You are not going to get a stiff wig. The unit is very, very full, so you're not going to get any bald spots anywhere. The length is 12 inches, so she has some length to her. Dolls, this is gorgeous. I love the T1B30 that is going throughout. It's perfectly colored. Like, you can't tell me this is like the ultimate rich auntie wig, because I am serving y'all rich auntie teas all day, and I'm loving it. Y'all know I'm loving it, okay? Are you guys loving it? Let me know if you tried this unit or tried a unit similar to this. I've seen the synthetic ones from Amazon, but honestly, I'd rather go with the human hair curly wig like this, because it'll last longer, and plus, like I said, it's human hair, so you can recurl it. You won't get the frizziness, or, it won't get nappy on you or anything like that. So, dolls, Junoda, come on with it. Like, I am so loving it. And I'm definitely, just loving the style overall. It's just, you know, a classic roller set. You can't go wrong with it. Like I said, you can dress it up, dress it down. You have multiple styling opportunities with this one. So comment down below. Let me know what you think about this unit on me. And of course, I will talk to your dolls later.